everybody, it's day one of Mammoth Race Week. We are on our way to Mammoth. We live in Sonora, so on our way is Kennedy Meadows up over Sonora Pass. So we left at 7 o'clock this morning and stopped at Kennedy Meadows, had a Bloody Mary and some good down-home cooking breakfast. Kennedy Meadows is a great place up here on Sonora Pass. We're actually usually camping up here this weekend. It's Father's Day weekend. Typically we're camping right down the road at Eureka Campground, but we're doing Mammoth this year, and just to kind of keep with some tradition, we came up here and had breakfast. So next stop, we might stop at Sonora Pass, and on our way, it's about a 3-hour drive, so we're about an hour into it right now. We got 2 more hours. Day one of Mammoth Motocross. Here we are. We just got to Sonora Pass on our way over. So we're just gonna do a little video here by the pass here. Say hi, boys. Yeah. Okay, here's our room. Woo!
Yeah! Baby. We're loud as hell.
We got a room here. We got a room over here. Hopefully Lisa's not changing. Morning.
Nope.
There's a bathroom.
There's a me.
There's D. And then we come out here. There's a balcony. Where are you, trout man?
I can drop a brown trout.
Uh-huh. All right, quick little trip over to the skate park. Mammoth's got an awesome skate park here, so we're gonna go check it out. The boys got their little razor scooters, not razors, but their little scooters. So we're gonna check it out. They're gonna have some fun. Get a little exercise. Got to get acclimated to the elevation being up here. So yeah, gonna have some fun. Yeah.